का बीजेपी के जिला मेघालय कला कृषान का आंठमा का विकसित भारत गारंटी फॉर रोजगार एंड आजीविका मिशन ग्रामीण एग अरजार आरपुसन दा का बाong bakade ka mauja makongsan bankintiu ya ka jingyo kam hakishnong nong kendong jongka Meghalaya. U General Secretary ka BJP uba wan kitbok poshna ulaong ba kanikaan kapinyar ya ka jingyo kam na ka shispa sngi sha ka shispa alpusan sngi ha ka shilong yeng ha ka shisnem bat amsham laweng no ya ka nu ka hok jong ki pat ba ula kinta ya ka jingyo Kynnoh jong ka Congress da ka baong ba ka jingyo I jingai ka long amtang ka jingyo rap shipor Hinre ke jingte bane Islam kum ki surok kinala school bat kiwe ki jingete hashnong ula bin rabru baki gram seva kindang don ka binta ba kongsan kat ba ka jingsiu tulop pat ba lingba ka digital system kan pinduna ya ka jing pin sab ekai ka pisa pat ba ka BJP kala Kynnoh ka Congress ba ka jing Pynsaphriang ka ba bakla bat ong ba ka ka an ka al jing yadai kishnong bat ka pinjana ka jing sinchar pat ba katkum ka jing thu jong ka BJP ka an kalong shibinta na ka jing I jingai ka Viksit Bharat 8000 saul punyo pat ka jing sam pisa khandai pho lash pho happening ka sarkar kme bat ka sarkar jila kan pins khem ye ka jing tre kam bat ka jing yo jing rap ki pat ba
Today we are meeting with the members of the press is to reach out to the people of the state regarding the misinformation that is being spread out on the newly introduced Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Grameen Act 2025, which literally translate for Guarantee for Jobs and Livelihoods Mission. So we can hear that there's a claim that this will snatch away rural employment, which is totally false, which is nothing but a lie to mislead. The truth is that the Act expands opportunities for our rural households by increasing the guaranteed employment not just only 100 days, but now to 125 days. So, if you look at this, no rights is being taken away. In fact, on the contrary, they are being strengthened. So, under the Viksit Bharat Gramji, every household will continue to enjoy the legal guarantee of work and unemployment allowance if work is not provided. What changes is the vision. Instead of a temporary relief, every day of labor now builds durable assets, roads, irrigation canals, schools, and even community infrastructure that will uplift the village for generations. So we can say that this will not only be an employment guarantee but also an empowerment to our rural folks. So another point that the opposition is trying to mislead is that the Gram Sabhas are being weakened. In reality, that is not true. They remain central to planning and oversight, while new transparency measures, which will ensure wages reaches workers without any leakages. It's going to be a complete digitized system, and in fact, the 90 and 10% sharing for state, center and state partnership in case of Meghalaya, it ensures accountability and higher returns on investment. And in fact, so we can see that Viksit Bharat Gramji is not about reducing rural employment, it is also about strengthening livelihood, security, modernizing rural development, and ensuring dignity of work. So we can say that this act, basically, the newly introduced act, is a step towards a Viksit Bharat, where rural India thrives with both employment and development. So the claim that this scheme is politically motivated and distortions is far from the truth. We want the people of the state to know the truth that Viksit Bharat Gramji Bill is a stronger, fairer, and more visionary guarantee for our villagers and rural folks.